Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by disconnecting the battery negative terminal to prevent shorts, then remove the rear headliner access or trunk trim to reach the antenna base. Use a plastic trim tool to avoid damaging panels. Once the trim is loose, unfasten the antenna nuts with the correct Torx or socket. Make sure to note antenna cable routing and clip locations so reassembly is easier. Once the base is exposed, inspect mounting grommets and cable connector for corrosion before proceeding to the next repair steps. You now focus on the coax and power connections. Detach the coax connector and check for bent pins or frayed shield. Use a multimeter to verify continuity from antenna tip to head unit. If corrosion exists, clean contacts with a dedicated cleaner, let dry, and apply a light coat of dielectric grease to seal. Replace any torn rubber grommet or foam pad to prevent leaks. Then seat the base, align the antenna, and torque the mounting bolts to the manufacturer's spec while keeping the coax free of sharp bends. Once reassembled, reconnect the battery and power on the radio to test reception across multiple bands, tune stations, and check signal strength. Make sure the antenna is vertical and that trim panels fit flush with no rubbing or rattles. If reception remains poor, verify the vehicle ground strap and antenna feed continuity again, and consider swapping in a known good antenna module. If you encounter persistent issues, one troubleshooting tip: check for water intrusion at the base. Moisture can corrode contacts and mimic a.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.